Hello everyone, and welcome back to Happy Paws. Today, we are going to bring you a story of cat rescued from terrible conditions, now sleeps in her tiny doll bed each and every night. Meet Sophie, the rescue kitten who gets to sleep in her own miniature version of a human bed with rotating sets of sheets, comforters, and even a mini crocodile plushie. Life hasn't always been so sweet and comfy for this furball. When she was around 3 years old, the kitty was rescued from a hoarding situation. Her previous owner would keep her and a ton of other animals in small cages, one cat on top of the other. So it's no surprise that when she got adopted by Christiana Vespucci and her partner, all this sweet and loving cat wanted to do was be with her human parents all the time, especially at night. Every night, as soon as her mom would head off to bed, the kitty would go on top of the dresser to sleep. I tried to see if she would sleep in our bed, but she insisted on always sleeping on the dresser, Christiana Vespucci, Sophie's mom, told the dodo. So after a few nights, I cleared off the dresser and put her bed there. She's been going up to her bed when we go to bed ever since. She gets up only once around 3 a.m. for a snack, then heads back up to her bed until my alarm goes off in the morning, Vespucci added. She sleeps there the entire night, all tucked in. Thank you for listening to the story. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel to see the latest videos. See you in the next videos.